Ayan, for today's video guys, tara samahan niyo ako at i-flex ko lang yung ating kakainin for today. I have a fork, I don't know what this is called because, okay, this is a fork with green beans. Ayan, pork steak with green peas. Ayan, yun po yung ating kakainin for today, and white rice with black coffee. There's my black coffee, guys. Okay. Ayan. Everyone, and love shout out and for today's vlog, guys. We eat I eat pala pork steak with green peas. Ayan. Yan, enjoy watching how I'm eating mukbang. Welcome to LNPH mukbang. Cheers. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!